Friday. Right now it's like 8:25 in the morning. We dropped off Nathan at school. So right now we're headed to Target and BJ's to do some food shopping. Tomorrow we are going to the beach. So yeah, come with us food shopping. So we're walking to Target. So we're back home. I want to give you guys a little haul. So the first thing is I had to get 2 boxes of tissues that costed $1.99. I don't know if you care about the prices, but comment down below if you do. The second thing is I got this cute pants that I got from BJ's. I'm not sure how much this costed, but this was super cute. It's a size small. And then we got this. I don't you see like what's this? Oh, it's a fine disc. It's a fine disc that costed $3. Can you see? I had to get baby wipes, a pack of baby wipes. I never used this kind of baby wipes, so I think all baby wipes are the same, but I don't know. But I never tried this one, so I want to try it. Nathan loves these. I had the last time I got the, what's it called? I got like a different one, so I just got this. I got this one, the chocolate chip. Nathan loves these too. I got a pack of cake mix because maybe tonight I am gonna bake this with Nathan. This costed like $2.19. This costed like $3 and change in Target. And then we got two of these that costed $4 exactly. We got 2 packs because like I said, we are going to the beach tomorrow. Lewis did get a new cooler from his sister for Father's Day. So later I'm gonna show you guys when I put stuff aside for the beach tomorrow morning. But I got this for $3. It comes in a 2-pack for my small cooler, so I'd rather have enough of these than not having nothing at all. And then the last thing is brown rice. I did hear that brown rice is much better and healthier, so comment down below if you like brown rice. And I'm gonna see you guys in a little while. I do have to bring up the rest of the stuff. I do have to bring up the rest of the stuff. So good morning, guys. So today is June 21st, Saturday. Right now it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. So I just wanted to show you guys the bathing suits that we are gonna wear today at the beach. We are going to Orchard Beach. So this is Nathan's bathing suit that I showed you guys in the last vlog. And then Lewis, he's gonna wear this donut bathing suit. So him and Nathan are gonna match like blue bathing suits. It's not, matching, but at least it's blue. And then I am gonna wear this red 2-piece bathing suit. So yeah. Good morning, guys. So right now it's 10:52 now. We're headed to Orchard Beach. We're on the bus that says Orchard Beach. So I'm super happy. Like, we don't have to transfer anything at all. So yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. So we're halfway there. I think we're on Helen Parkway. So we're here at Orchard Beach. Nathan, Nathaniel, say hi. Yeah. Come on. Give me a hand. So now we have to walk up this little ramp. Where's her beach? You can see the beach. People have their tents. Look at our car over there. He wanted to take off his hat. Let me see your hands, please. Thank you. Orchard Beach.
I love my outfit.
It's a nice beach day. But look at the sand, it looks nice and smooth. The water feels so good and refreshing.
I heard it does. Cold water doesn't work.
Mommy?
So the water feels nice and like cool, which I like it. Right now, I'm just laying down. Lewis is with Nathan in the water, so I'm about to take a little tent, like right now where I'm in the tent. So I'm about to take the towel and just sit in the sun so I could take a nice tan. But it's super hot outside. Like, it's beautiful. Like, but the water did feel really good. So yeah. The update. Right now I'm just tanning. I did go in the water, so right now Lewis and the baby is back in the water. So the next time I'm probably take Nathan to the water. So, but the water felt super nice. Like I got my hair wet, but now it's already dried. This is our little tent. So yeah, so I'm just tanning on this towel. The towel that I got from Target that costed $5, but it's super beautiful. It's nice and hot. Like, finally the freaking heat. So like, but I think next week and it's gonna rain. So, and then tomorrow I might go to the Central Park Zoo, so I might film that tomorrow as well. So just stay tuned for tomorrow as well. Look at this. So we're with the beach.
From the head back there?
Yeah.
There's vents back there. I opened it for y'all. You know they still.
So today is June 22nd. Good morning, guys. Right now it's like 9:26 in the morning. We're headed to the bar. So today, like regardless of this rain today, it's still gonna be a good
Next
day.
stop,
It's not gonna
St.
stop
Nicholas
us from
Avenue
having
and
fun.
West 133rd Street.
So just stay tuned for today, because today is gonna be a good day. So I have on a dress. But today
This stop is
gonna
St.
be
Nicholas
humid
Avenue
as
and West 133rd Street.
Say hi, birds. So inside the birds. I already see the fishes.
Mommy,
Yes,
eat your butt.
I know.
No. Mommy! Mommy!
Yes,
It eats me.
those are really cute birds. The pink one.
Nana,
Yes, it's gonna eat a banana.
we eat trees. We eat trees.
Yes.
We eat trees.
We're in the penguin area. Say hi, penguin.
The same family as the guinea pigs.
Come over here, puppy.